Hello, this is my review for my Social Studies Class C and my Language Arts Class C. And of course, we're going to have class day because they have a scheduled chess turn. Is that right now? So I don't have my C class today. But I will try my best to say enough in this review that you can take your test with ease and refer to this video if needed. Your English test on tonight will be on possessive pronouns, basically just pronouns altogether, but pronouns and antecedents. Remember that an antecedent is a noun or group of words that a pronoun refers to. So it's a noun or group of words that a pronoun refers to. For example, they have several books about Greek myths at the library. There is unclear. However, when we look down, the myth of Arachne is amusing. I enjoyed it. It would be, Arachne, the myth is the antecedent, and it is the pronoun referring to the antecedent. And of course, we went through this on Tuesday, so I know it's not that difficult, and you've been doing practice work as well on doing homework. The next type of pronoun you're going to have in your test is possessive pronouns. And of course, possessive pronouns are just pronouns that show possessions. My, mine, you, your, his, hers, it. That's pretty simple. An indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that does not refer to a particular person, place, or thing. So it's general. It's not specific. It doesn't give a specific person that it's referring to, such as another, anybody, everybody, everyone, everything, neither, much, nobody, no one, nothing. It's not referring to a particular person. Okay? So it's really generalized, basically. Reflexive and intensive pronouns are pronouns that are formed by adding self or self. Reflexive, or if you think about reflexive pronouns, you need to think about a mirror. In a mirror, you see your reflection. So it's called reflexive. So an example of a reflexive pronoun would be the woman found herself. Of course, you know it's either reflexive or intensive because of the self that's added on to it. But because it's saying she found herself, it's reflexive because it's reflecting her. Intensive is a pronoun that adds emphasis to a noun or pronoun already named, such as George himself, he himself. Interrogative pronouns is extremely easy. Who, what, who, whom, what, whom, who. They ask the question. That's it on pronouns. Go through your books. Go through your homework that you've already done. Go through your videos from this past weekend. Look at those videos, and you'll be able to complete this test with we should be able to complete this test with no problem. Now, for social studies, I gave you this worksheet, this handout, which says it has on this side, it has aviator, then it has obstacles that they face when trying to get into the field of aviation. And then it has on this column, how did they overcome that specific obstacle? All you're doing is choose four aviators and tell me the obstacle that they face trying to get into the aviation field, and then tell me how they got over that. 2 obstacles for each one, 2 ways they overcame those obstacles for each aviator. 4 aviators. Okay, extremely simple. This package that I gave you here has all the aviators in it. It has all the aviators included. So you should be able to find it with no problem. All the answers are here. You can go in and look for it. Please feel free to email me if you have any questions, if you're confused in any kind of way. Email me and I will be sure to get back with you. Thank you. Oh, and complete your spelling and vocabulary test as well on Spelling City by midnight. Everything is due by midnight. That's what my B class do. Everything is due by midnight, okay?